to go. That's way to go.
Amelia is having a fascination with
Wow, look at that.
my Jimmy Choos.
Yes, look at that. Yes, look at that shiny.
She's kind of good at walking. I mean, they're on the wrong feet and everything, but
Bravo.
those are definitely at least 3-inch heels, Amelia.
Look at that. Wonderful. You look great. You look great. Yes, it's not easy, but you can do it. Yes, you can do it. It's really high heels. You know that? It's really high heels. It's not easy to walk, but you can do it.
Maybe if they're on the right feet, they might even be easier to do. What do you think?
Yeah. No?
No? You like the challenge?
Yeah.
No, Mommy did horseshoe.
Mommy, what?
No, I horseshoe.
Here, I'm just going to help you put them on the right feet. See?
Yeah,
Now you can really show me your stuff.
Oh my goodness, look at the shoes. Look at the shoes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You have a busy day at the office?
9, 10.
Do you have a busy day at the office?